Hello, fellow adventurers. This is day 70, and we are now in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. The port was about an hour's drive from the city, and we had been in this city in 2009. So I thought I pretty much had seen everything, but boy, was I wrong. Our first stop was to a pewter factory. Pewter is made out of tin, antimony, and copper, all smelted together. And I was not all that excited about going there because all of the pewter I'd seen had been kind of dark, and, I just said to my husband, we're not going to buy anything here. Well, boy, were we wrong. The pewter in this factory, which, by the way, was the largest pewter factory in the world, they made all of the medals for the Sydney Olympics. And then, of course, they would dip them in gold, silver, or bronze to plate them. Another thing that I didn't realize was the Academy Award statues are also made out of pewter, and then, of course, they are plated with gold. We watched a demonstration of making some of the pewter and then saw some people in the factory actually cleaning things up and making them so beautiful. And we bought several pieces. I'm here to say, walked out of there with quite a hole in our pocketbook. Next, we went into town, and I saw so much architecture and buildings we had never seen before. And I was pretty amazed with what the British had done here in Malaysia, building these outstanding buildings, which I'm going to show you so many pictures of them. They used many types of architecture, including Moorish influences, as well as the British and other types of architecture, which you will notice. We also went to a war memorial where they had talked about their war with the communists. There is a huge middle class here, and there are so many high-rises that I never saw before when we were here less than 10 years ago. There's been foreign investment and all kinds of companies as well as individuals buying condos and large properties throughout the city. And I would say that this city has grown in size by twice of what it was before. It is a growing republic. I have very high hopes for Kuala Lumpur because I can see the direction that they are moving in, and it is all positive. Our next stop is Singapore, a very exciting city. In closing, my wish for you is that you will love abundantly, protect your health, and be adventurous for life. You are beautiful. Let your light shine. Aloha.